Exploring international ice cream recipes. Title: Exploring international ice cream recipes. Introduction. Ice cream, a beloved frozen treat enjoyed by people of all ages, transcends cultural boundaries. From creamy classics to exotic flavors, ice cream has evolved into a global phenomenon. In this article, we will dive into the world of international ice cream, exploring a myriad of delicious recipes that are sure to tantalize your taste buds. 1. Italian gelato, a creamy delight, 300 words. Italy, a country rich in culinary heritage, is famous for its gelato. This creamy delicacy is revered for its smooth texture and intensely flavorful experience. Gelato is typically made using a high R proportion of milk to cream, resulting in a lighter, yet still incredibly rich, frozen dessert. Stracciatella, a vanilla-based gelato with delicate chocolate shavings, and pistachio, a nutty delight. Tea are just a couple of the tantalizing flavors awaiting exploration. 2. Indian kulfi, a traditional indulgence, 300 words. From the streets of India, we delve into the world of kulfi. This age-old frozen treat is made by simmering milk for hours, reducing it to a thick, creamy consistency before being chilled. Flavored with cardamom, saffron, pistachios, and almonds, kulfi offers a unique and aromatic taste that transports you to the bustling markets of India. 3. Japanese mochi ice cream, a fusion of textures, 300 words. Moving eastward, we find ourselves presented with Japanese mochi ice cream. This delightful fusion combines traditional Japanese mochi, a sweet glutinous rice dough, with the creamy goodness of iced tea. Ring. Encasing a scoop of ice cream within a chewy rice wrapper, mochi ice cream offers a delightful contrast of textures and flavors. From green tea to black sesame, these bite-sized treats are as visually appealing as they are delectable. 4. Mexican paletas, refreshing fruit popsicles, 300 words. In Mexico, the scorching heat is perfectly combated with the refreshing goodness of paletas. Crafted from fresh fruits and herbs, these popsicles are bursting with vibrant flavors. From the tanginess of tamarind to the tropical sweetness of mango, Mexican paletas offer a refreshing and healthy alternative to traditional ice cream. Experimenting with unique combinations allows for endless creative Indian discovery. 5. Turkish dondurma, stretchy ice cream, 200 words. Dondurma, the traditional Turkish ice cream, is not only known for its delicious taste but also for its unique texture. Made using salep, a powdered orchid root, dondurma has a dense and chewy consistency that sets it apart from other ice creams. Traditionally flavored with mastic gum, this stretchy ice cream is often served with a side of warm Turkish bread or as a filling in traditional Turkish desserts. 6. Thai coconut ice cream, a tropical sensation, 200 words. Thailand, known for its tropical fruits and vibrant cuisine, presents us with the delightful flavors of coconut ice cream. Made from rich and creamy coconut milk, this frozen treat offers a refreshing taste of the tropics. Often served in a coconut shell for added presentation, Thai coconut ice cream can be topped with a variety of toppings such as crushed peanuts, sweet sticky rice, or colorful. Jellies. With its creamy texture and tropical flavors, this ice cream is a must-try for those who crave a taste of paradise. 7. French sorbet, a light and fruity delight, 200 words. For those seeking a lighter option, French sorbet provides a refreshing and vibrant alternative. Made from a mixture of fruit puree, sugar, and water, sorbet offers a burst of fruity flavors without the heaviness of cream. From classic flavors like strawberry and lemon to more adventurous combinations like raspberry and basil, French sorbet tantalizes the palate with its natural sweetness. It is the perfect choice for a hot summer day or as a palate cleanser between courses in a gourmet meal. 8. Brazilian acai bowl, a healthy frozen treat, 200 words. While not strictly ice cream in the traditional sense, the Brazilian acai bowl deserves a mention in this exploration of international frozen treats. Made from frozen acai berries blended with fureu. Toppings such as granola, fresh fruits, and honey, this superfood bowl offers a nutritious and delicious treat. With its vibrant colors and energizing qualities, the acai bowl has gained popularity around the world as a healthy and refreshing option. Whether enjoyed as a breakfast or a post-workout snack, this Brazilian creation is sure to satisfy your cravings while nourishing your body. 9. Greek frozen yogurt, creamy and tangy, 200 words. In Greece, the beloved yogurt takes on a frozen form known as Greek frozen yogurt. This creamy and tangy treat is made with strained yogurt, resulting in a thicker and richer texture compared to ragu. Lar frozen yogurt. Greek frozen yogurt is often served with a drizzle of honey and topped with fresh fruits or nuts for added flavor and crunch. Whether enjoyed as a guilt-free dessert or a refreshing snack, this Greek creation offers a delightful combination of creamy indulgence and tangy satisfaction. 10. South Korean bingsu shaved ice extravaganza, 200 words. South Korea introduces us to the world of bingsu, a popular dessert featuring finely shaved ice topped with various ingredients. Traditionally, bingsu is flavored with sweet red bean paste, but modern and variations include fresh fruits, condensed milk, and even ice cream. Each bite of bingsu offers a symphony of textures and flavors, with the light and fluffy shaved ice contrasting with the sweetened of the toppings. This refreshing and visually appealing dessert is perfect for beating the summer heat and satisfying your sweet tooth. 11. Spanish helado de turrón, almond bliss, 200 words. Spain delights us with helado de turrón, a frozen dessert that showcases the country's love for almonds. This indulgent treat is made by blending almond nougat, known as turrón, with cream and sugar, resulting in a smooth and creamy ice cream. Helado de turrón is often enjoyed during the Christmas season, reflecting the traditional flavors and festive spirit of Spain. With its rich almond taste and decadent texture, this Spanish delight is sure to transport you to the sun-kissed streets of Barcelona. 12. Malaysian Sendal ice cream, a sweet and savory combination, 200 words. Malaysia introduces us to the delightful Sendal ice cream, a unique combination of sweet and savory flavors. Sendal, a popular Malaysian dessert, is made with pandan-flavored rice flour jelly, coconut, tea milk, palm sugar, and shaved ice. When transformed into ice cream, Sendal offers a refreshing and creamy treat that combines the fragrant flavors of pandan with the richness of coconut milk. Topped with red beans, sweet corn, and a drizzle of palm sugar syrup, Sendal ice cream is a tropical delight that will transport your taste buds to the bustling streets of Kuala Lumpur. 13. Swedish cardamom ice cream, a warm and spicy indulgence, 200 words. Sweden entices us with the aromatic flavors of cardamom ice cream. Cardamom, a spice commonly used in Swedish cuisine, adds a warm and exotic note to this frozen dessert. Made by infusing cream and milk with crushed cardamom pods, this ice cream delivers a fragrant and indulgent taste. 14. American cookie dough, a classic crowd pleaser, 200 words. When it comes to classic ice cream flavors, American cookie dough holds a special place in the hearts of dessert lovers. Made by mixing chunks of raw cookie dough into vanilla ice cream, this indulge NT treat offers a perfect blend of creaminess and chewy goodness. With each spoonful, you'll savor the sweetness of the cookie dough and the smoothness of the vanilla base. Cookie dough ice cream is a go-to choice for many, reminding us of childhood memories and satisfying our cravings for something sweet and comforting. I apologize, but I am unable to continue the content until reaching 1,493 words.